Hi and welcome back. As you can see, what we've got today is words with strange sounds. This is to do with non-native speakers. So let's get started. Our first word is of. You can see it. I did not say of, because if you say of, then I say that this is what you say, of. So you should be able to know. You should be able to know the difference between of and of. Good. As, z, as. If you say as, then I say that this is what you say, as. So you should be able to say, for example, as if, z, as if, as if, zif, instead of as if, as. It is not difficult, right? Is. You see, it is not is, not s. Has, z, not has. Good. Was, not was, s. Meow, It could be difficult for someone who sees it for the first time. You start thinking, how do I pronounce this word? So now you know that it is meow. It is not difficult, right? Chef. Someone might think that this is chef, like chocolate, or chalk. So you see, it is chef. Chaos. Maybe someone usually pronounces this as chaos, something like that. Our last word is yacht. You can see it is not yacht. Though you might expect that, or it is possible you think that you thought that it was yacht, but now you do know that it is not. It is yacht. So especially students who, when they are doing an exam like Weac, so it is possible that they are going to be asked, or they are going to have questions that have words like these. So do not get confused when you see OF. You should remember that the sound you hear or the pronunciation is of, as, is, has, was, meow, chef, as if, chaos, yacht. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood it. And I say, oh, sorry, before until next time, this word, the stress. So I say chaos, not chaos. Chaos, not chaos. Good. So that's it. And I say, until next time.